All right, a quick video tutorial here to make sure you know how to use the Divi templates to start the layouts of your pages. This is an extremely fast way to do things. It's really wonderful, and I suggest you experiment with it on some test pages. But for today, we're going to make a new blog post and show you how to set things up so you do everything. All right, first thing you want to do is put in your title. Then from there, let's load from the library. Let's load the layout. So you'll go here, the Divi Builder, and load from library. And then you'll hit add from library. These, under predefined layouts, these are actual Divi. These come with the theme. These are really great. You want to experiment with those later, like I said, on a test page. Load them, erase them, load another one. Get used to doing that because it'll speed your process greatly. But for right now, we're going to add from library, and this is our own custom library that I've set up for you. And notice we have a single blog post template. I'm going to load that, and there it is. There's the image that we know exists on that blog post, and then the intro, the bold intro text next to it, wrapping around the image. And then the rest of your blog text will go in this section. So you'll click on the menu icon, those three lines, and you'll see that the template has a stand-in image from the first blog post we did. And you can just upload an image with this button, upload a new one into the library and use it for your new post. All the other settings are set up for you, so you just need to save and exit. This text here is, like I said, it's the bold text next to the image, like in the first blog post. So you set that up. All you do is replace your text here, paste in new text, and you'll be ready to go. And then the balance of your blog text goes here. When you're done with that, let's make sure you've checked a category. Don't use uncategorized. If training tips doesn't do the job, then add a new category right here. Then make sure you've uploaded your feature image. I've already done it for you here, but you'll note, see, if I remove it, you'll see set featured image, and you'll be able to click on that and bring in a new image. And there it is. The reason you want to set your featured image is right here. When we go to the actual blog listing page, to the catalog page of posts, this image comes from the featured image. If you don't upload it into the feature image, it will not show. You'll just get this text display. When you're done with the featured image, next thing I think you should do is cut and paste a couple of lines of text from your post that you think will make a good summary on this page, because that's what this comes from. You can leave this, you don't have to do that. It'll take a couple of lines from your existing post, but they may not be the lines you really want. And so I would recommend you select what you want from your post, cut, and then paste it into excerpt. Make sure it doesn't take up any more room than this, or it'll spill around your image and you won't like the look of that. Then the last thing, of course, is all of your Yoast SEO setup. Supposedly, and in the future, of course, we'll have a list of phrases for you to paste in and optimize for. You'll be, pasting it in here. Then you'll edit your snippet. This is your Google listing display, a little snippet for you to look at. And you can, edit your snippet. You can go in and take care of this. You can leave this template information here, and it'll make a title for you. But if you have an actual keyword phrase, you'll want to paste that in here, and you're going to want to use that phrase in your slug, and you're going to want to use it in your meta description if you can. When you're pasting it as part of the slug, let's say that our focus keyword is dog training. Okay, it won't be probably, but that's what we're going to use to play with for now. And then you would end up putting it here. You know, it'll be part of a larger phrase probably, but there. When you're doing that as the slug, though, then you're going to want to put these dashes. It's all lowercase, and you'll want to have dashes between them. So you'll say, your dog training tips, okay? That's how the slug is done. And that, what happens is, see, that ends up as actually part of your URL, your page address, which is great. It's exactly what you want. So it actually can be seen in the Google snippet as they search. So that should do the job. That should get you where you need to go when you're starting a new post. It'll get you there real quickly without struggle. All right, that's it.